back to this channel. Thank you very much to all my followers. For some weeks now, I stopped sending out videos based on my exam, and thanks to God, we are done with the exam now. Starting from now onward, I will be posting more video on mathematics. Alright, so let's look at this question together and let's get it solved as our opening question. After some breaks, solution. We have x raised to power x is equal to 2 raised to power 2x plus 8. Don't forget, if you can still recall, I used to tell us, whenever we have something like this, find the means by which you are going to bring all the value that is having x into one side and all the value that is not having x into the other side. That is just the approach to this type of question. So we have x raised to power x is equals to 2 raised to power 2x. Then now this plus, don't forget in indices, whenever you are having addition of power, that means you are multiplying the base. So we are going to have multiplied by 2 raised to power 8. So from this level, what am I now going to do? I can easily say that let me divide throughout by these 2 raised to power x. We are going to have something like this. X raised to power x divided by 2 raised to power 2x is equals to 2 raised to power 8. You know the 2 raised to power 2x here would have divided themselves. If you now check it very well, I'm already having what I'm looking for. And what am I looking for? I'm looking for a means by which I'm going to bring all the value that is having x into one side and the values that is not having x into the other side. I can write this thing as this, divided by 2 raised to power 2 all raised to power x is equals to 2 raised to power 8. I have x divided by this 2 raised to power 2, that is 4. So we have 4 into x is equals to 2 raised to power 8. X divided by 4 raised to power x is equals to this. I can write it as 2 raised to power 2 multiplied by 4. So I have x raised to power 4 all raised to power x divided by 4 rather raised to power 4 is equals to this 4 raised to power 4. The power, divide the powers by 4. That means I'm multiplying both the power by 1 over 4. So I'm going to have x divided by 4 raised to power x divided by 4 is equals to 4 raised to power 4 divided by 4. If this cancels this, I'm going to have x divided by 4 into x divided by 4 is equals to 4. Now from this place, I have x divided by 4, x divided by 4. That means this value, I'm going to turn it to something that is raising to itself, which is I have x divided by 4 raised to power x divided by 4 is equals to 2 raised to power 2. So in this format, I'm just going to compare. I'm not going to say, okay, the base are equal, equate the power are equal, equate the base. No. In this form, I'm going to compare. If you check this very well, this is raised to power itself. This is also raised to power itself. That's telling me that x divided by 4 is equals to 2. Just cross multiply. Your x will now be 2 multiplied by 4. X is equals to 8. Thank you very much.